Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video we'll show you how to easily connect your GitHub account to n8n to automate actions. So firstly click on the plus, then in the search nodes type in GitHub, choose GitHub. For example, let us choose a action create a file. You can choose any you want. After that, where it says credential to connect with, in here click on this and click on create new credential. After that, connect my account. You will have this window pop up, and now as you can see, we will be able to authorize our basically GitHub with n8n. So as you can see, this is going to be the access to the actions that are listed in here. Authorize integration. Okay, and as you can see, now connection is successful. As you can see, you don't have to create and basically perform any type of other shenanigans to be able to do this. Now as you can see, our account is created. So this is pretty much done. Guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.